So this is a pound yen analysis for Thursday, 15th of November. Now, let's just have a look on prices, when prices may likely go. So here on the pound yen, we've previously mentioned that we did come into a bit of a trading range here on the pound yen. Upper end of trading range being around at 148.46, lower end being around at 47.35. Oscillated around that area. I should possibly just mention what happened more recently. So we've had quite a bit of volatility over the coming days, even though we're trapped within the range. We first initially saw a breakdown towards our 146.38, found support at that 146.38, saw the bullish buy side volatility came within a couple of pips of that 48.46, briefly pulled back, briefly consolidated upwards, beyond that 47.35. Counter some resistance. It does appear here in around that 200 period moving average. So this sharp acceleration, possibly news related here on the pound against yen. Saw this tremendous amount of downside volatility here on the pound yen, breaking beyond 46.38, 146, 145.11, taking us all the way down towards that 144.78. Did trade a fair bit below that 144.78. Didn't quite get down towards that 144.650, but we did trade a fair bit below that 144.78. Pulled back above it at present and currently testing at 45.11. So if we can hold this 45.11, looking for me back up towards that 146, successful break from which talking at 146.38, in around at 146.38. We do have the 400 period moving average. It does increase likelihood of seeing sell side momentum coming to the market from that level. But if we can break the 146.38, looking for me back up towards that well established level of support and resistance in around that 147.35. If however we do break down from 45.11, looking for a 44.78, successful break from which target at 144.36, and if there is sufficient volatility in the market, well, it is difficult to say where we'll stop, but breaking from that 144.36, possibly looking for 43.19 and that 42.80. Now, we did previously find support on 42.80, which I'll show you on the daily chart. So if we do break down, and there's a tremendous amount of volatility, possibly like 42.80 here to the downside on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts here, price of development, get scaling here correct. So here on the pound yen, so we do have our highs. We encountered difficulty around that 49.10, didn't quite get towards that 49.78, gap down the market, rallied, failed in around that 48.61 or so. We've had this tremendous amount of sell side momentum that's coming to the market here on the 15th of November. We've had price travel down towards, we mentioned, 44.78. So if we do see this tremendous sell side volatility, previously found support in around that 42.80, below that 43.19. So again, we'll look to see if we do find support again in around that 42.80. If we do see the continued volatility here to the downside on the pound yen, beyond which we're looking for 41.99, and after that, we're looking at that 40.75 here to the downside on the pound yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.